Hello, just wanted to show you all the things that I'd made this month. Hopefully you'll be interested. So in not chronological order, I'll link all the patterns in the description. I think possibly my favourite is this lobster. It's called the Lobster, but yeah, my daughter vetoed putting a moustache on it, but I just thought that would have been so much more fun. I'll put the pattern in the description. Little ghost I was testing for somebody. Miniature pumpkin, again another test for somebody. I'll put all the patterns in the description. Little balloon, another test. Owl, there was lots in this pattern, but I only tested the owl so far. It's just a random, it was going to be a purse, but at the very last minute my daughter said no, sew it up and make it squishy, so there we go, squishy. Granny square, might make that one into a bag. So bag number 1, this one's got press studs. I'm not really good at sewing. This one I prefer, it's for my phone. It's got the clicky studs. I can't open them with one hand, but it opens by its ears basically. And this one I did with the same clicky studs for my Gopro. So there we go, that's what I made. I'll put all the patterns in the description so that you can have a look, and most of them I think are going to be free or are free, so that you can see if you want to make any of them too. Bye.